Welcome to Science by PK. Today we're talking about volcanoes. What are they, how do they erupt, and why are they so powerful? And can they exist on other planets? Let's break it all down and dive into the fiery science of volcanoes. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Science by PK, and hit the notification bell. So what is a volcano? A volcano is basically a hole in the Earth's surface where hot melted rock called magma along with the gas and ash comes out. Volcanoes are like natural pressure valves for the Earth. They form in places where the crust is weak, often near boundaries of tectonic plates. When enough pressure builds up deep underground, the magma is pushed through the cracks of the crust and boom, it erupts. Let's talk about the parts of a volcano. At the bottom, there's a magma chamber. This is like the storage tank for molten rock beneath the surface. The magma rises through the main vent, which is like a chimney. Some volcanoes also have secondary vents, smaller bowl-shaped openings where the eruption happens. Then you have lava flows, which are rivers of molten rock that spill down the sides of the volcano. Pretty cool, right? Why do volcanoes erupt? It all comes down to pressure. Deep inside the Earth, intense heat melts the rock into magma. Gases like water vapor and carbon dioxide get trapped in the magma. As the magma rises, the gas expands, building more and more pressure. Eventually, the pressure gets so high that it forces the magma out, causing an eruption. Depending on the type of magma, eruptions can be slow and steady, like lava flowing from Hawaii's Mauna Loa's volcano, or explosive and violent, like Mount St. Helens in 1980. Now, how powerful are volcanoes? Some eruptions are so massive, they can affect the entire planet. For example, the eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815 was so powerful that it caused a year without summer, when temperatures around the world dropped because of this ash blocking the sunlight. Scientists measure volcanic eruptions using something called the Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEL. It ranges from 0 for quiet eruptions to 8 for super volcanic eruptions. A EVL-8 eruption could eject over 1,000 cubic kilometers of material. That's enough to change the landscapes forever. Speaking of size, how big can a volcano get? On Earth, the largest volcano is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. It is so big, it covers 5,000 square kilometers. But the biggest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons, and it is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest. So yes, volcanoes can exist on other planets. Mars, Venus, and even some moons like Jupiter's and Saturn's moons can have volcanic activity. Volcanoes are not just destructive, they're also important for the planet. They create new land, release gases that help form our atmosphere, and provide nutrients to the ecosystem, but they can also be dangerous. Pyroclastic flows, which are fast-moving avalanches of hot ash and gas, can destroy everything in their path. Lava flows can bury towns, and volcanic ash can disturb air travel and affect breathing. If you're ever near an active volcano, the most important thing to do is to stay safe. Listen to local authorities, have an evacuation plan, and never ignore warning signs like increased gas emanations or earthquakes near a volcano. And that's the story of volcanoes. They're fascinating, powerful, and sometimes terrifying reminders of how dramatic our planet is. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.